Hello, hello, hello. My name is Lee, and I'm at your service to teach you English today. Teaching is my passion, and interacting with people is my edge. A good combination to teach learners to improve their English skills, such as speaking, reading, listening, and writing. So let's have a fabulous class together, full of fun and learning. So come in my class. See you.